Click to
Velociraptor. Velociraptor is a small feathered dinosaur that lived during the Cretaceous. It's only been found in Asia and lived in a desert habitat with sand dunes.
Let's compare it to something we know the size of. A kid like you.
Velociraptor is derived from the Latin words for quick and robber. It was given this name by scientists because it was a very fast carnivore. Velaticotherum. Velaticotherum was an amazing mammal, like modern-day flying squirrels. It could glide from tree to tree or from trees to the ground.
Let's compare it to something we know the size of. A kid like you.
Velaticotherum was probably an insectivore, which means that it ate insects. It also may have been nocturnal, or most active at night. One-Onosaurus. One-Onosaurus was a pachycephalosaur dinosaur that lived in Asia during the Cretaceous time.
Let's compare it to something we know the size of. A kid like you.
One-Onosaurus was a plant eater, or herbivore. Xenotarsosaurus. Xenotarsosaurus was a theropod dinosaur that lived in South America during the Cretaceous time period.
This animal was about 2 kids tall.
Xenotarsosaurus probably hunted small dinosaurs and other small animals. Yangchuanosaurus. Yangchuanosaurus was a theropod dinosaur that lived in Asia. With plenty of sharp teeth in their jaws, they would have been amazing predators.
This animal was about 4 kids tall.
Yangchuanosaurus probably hunted plant-eating dinosaurs like stegosaurs and young sauropods. Zhejiangopterus. Like its close cousin Quetzalcoatlus, Zhejiangopterus was a giant flying reptile or pterosaur.
This animal was about 3 kids tall.
Like other pterosaurs, Zhejiangopterus dove into the water and caught fish. While they were larger than other pterosaurs, Zhejiangopterus had similar bone structure, just with longer necks and heads. Zygongosaurus. Zygongosaurus was a sauropod dinosaur that lived in Asia during the Jurassic time period.
This animal was about 5 kids tall.
Zygongosaurus was a large plant-eating sauropod, a herbivore. Zoopasaurus. Zoopasaurus is one of the earliest known theropod dinosaurs, dating back to the late Triassic period, over 200 million years ago.
This animal was about 2 kids tall.
Zoopasaurus was a carnivore, or meat eater. Atticus. Like modern turtles, Atticus were turtles that could pull their heads into their shells.
Let's compare it to something we know the size of. A kid like you.
Atticus most likely ate plants, but may have also fed on small animals.